Hello, welcome back to my channel. We're doing another Spark 143 unboxing because it's Friday. And today we're talking about the 1970 Porsche 917K. The 1970 race would see two historic moments change the future of motorsport forever. The first saw drivers not running to their cars for the start of the race. Out of safety, Jackie Ickx walked to his car for the 1969 start. It was a protest for the safety involved when starting the race. Drivers were jumping in their cars, not fastening their seatbelts to get a better position at the start. And secondly, Porsche would win their first Le Mans and end up becoming the most winning brand in the sport. This would be the second year for the Porsche 917, as last year's race saw they were the fastest car on track but could not make it the full 24 hours. It was also a pivotal year for Ferrari. They were looking to get back on top of the 4GT's win streak. They put so much focus into beating the GT40s that they didn't see much threat from Porsche. And that would come to bite them in the end. As rain poured over the circuit, the 917 really came to life. And in the end, it was a 1-2-3 for Porsche. The Salzburg 917K finishing first, the Martini Racing 917LH finishing second, and a Martini Racing 908 finishing third. Ferrari came in fourth and fifth, and this started the Porsche dominance. Let's talk about the 917 winning car. When this car came out, Spark was doing the winners in a white box. So you got the gold trophy on the side, the cool track map on the back, and it's just nice and clean. Let's unbox it. This is my first Porsche 917 to get, and it just looks incredible. The sleekness and just the design of it, and it will go down in history as one of the best looking cars of all time. A friend of mine said he wants to collect all of the 917s one day, and I can clearly see why. The livery on this car is quite striking. It's really clean, a red base with just a few white stripes going down the top, starting at the headlights and streaking all the way back to the tail. Back then, cars did not have a lot of sponsors, so this car only has Goodyear, Bosch, Shell, and a few others. But other than that, it really shows the shape of the car. Nowadays, you have so many sponsors, it hides the livery and all that, even though the sponsors look cool. I always like a car that has a minimal look to it. I do like this fan right here at the top. It's really cool to see. The back is really special because it really opens up and you can see the engine back there. This car was driven by Richard Atwood and Hans Hermann. Back then, two guys could contest the 24 Hours of Le Mans because it was not a full sprint race. Nowadays, you have to have at least 3 drivers because the intensity and the G-forces now, it's just a full-out sprint. So back then, it was more about enduring the 24 hours rather than flat-out speed. But this car looks great. The red car on the black base, and it's just super clean. I can't wait to display this up on my wall and see it lined up with all the other cars. So here it is, the 917K winning car, Porsche's first victory at Le Mans, and they would go on to have many more victories. If you like this video, give me a like and a follow. I've got a lot more Spark models to unbox, and I'll be uploading a new video every Friday. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.